The load roller runs parallel to the tire and applies load to the assembly to take road force measurements. The amount of force applied is dependent upon the tire's diameter and stiffness. Because of this, the load roller will never overload the tire. To measure, close the hood and let the system do its job. Balance is measured first, then road force. Measurements are displayed here. If the measurement exceeds tolerance, it will be highlighted red. The location of the stiff spot is also indicated on the wheel graphic. When this occurs, perform force matching on the wheel and tire assembly. Acceptable road force will be highlighted green.